Ano ba po kabulan? Welcome to We're in Pampanga. So for today's vlog, na-invite tayo to witness itong Sashing Ceremony ng Ms Capas 2023. So yun, kikilalanin natin kung sino mga official candidate, and to know more about them, samahan nyo ako. So tara, let's go!
This is the formal start of the coming most beautiful days here in Capas as we begin today the Sashing Ceremony and of course the press presentation of our 20 candidates for Ms Capas 2023. I am Alma Bagorio and I'm standing before you this morning, service host, and to represent of course the official organizing team of Ms Capas 2023, the Crown and Scepter Events Production.
Oli Tuazon Pangilinan, 17, Santo Domingo, 2nd! Agatan Diling Magpayo Arpuleta, 18, Good first!
Ms Capas 2023. Here's the good news. One of these ladies is going to be your new Ms Capas on December 10th.
Ms Capas, your beauty casts energy. Ms Capas, shine by the region of light. Ms Capas, kalagumo. Ms Capas, your beauty casts energy. Ms Capas.
Hi, I'm Roger Ryan, the creative director. So I'll be in charge of the wardrobe. So basically, ang may surprise namin sa inyo is we really played a lot with colors. So it's vibrancy, matingkad, makinang. So we are really excited to share you this concept for Ms Capas 2023.
Yes, hi, I'm Mayesh Batak, the COO of Crown and Scepter Events.
Good morning, I'm Mike Castañeda, the Project Director of Ms Capas 2023, ang kaabang-abang na Pageant of the Year sa probinsya ng Tarlac.
Yes, abangan po ninyo Ms Capas 2023, Malagu Capas. It's one of the tremendous events of the Capas Day celebration, and it will be happening on December 10th.
Empowering women, defend the treasures of our land, obligated as the guide us seamlessly.
You guys, maraming salamat po. This has been an incredible morning. So much that marami ko nung natutunan din sa mga bata na to. Congratulations muli sa inyong lahat. To remind you, that on December 6th, we will be having the pre-pageant activities, and this will be held at the Mr. Blue Inn, also here in Capas. And of course, the most important, Grand Coronation Night, the Ms Capas Grand Coronation Night, is going to be on December 10th, 2023 at the Capas Venezuela. I am Alma Bagorio of Crown and Scepter Events Production, saying good morning everybody, and maganda at maraming salamat po, people of Capas. Mag-ingat po lahat.
pagkatapos lang ng Sashing Ceremony ng Ms Capas 2023. Watch out for their free pageant sa December 6 and their coronation night on December 10. So yun, congratulations sa mga mananalo and at the same time, congratulations Capas for having this event. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Peace out.